Here at Viz, we love sound effects.
Huh? Because manga sound effects are special. They totally enhance storytelling.
I think it's time for an experiment.
Oh, sorry. I was busy calculating the impact of sound effects in this manga. Let's do it.
We want to test whether Western comic fans can understand and get down with manga sound effects.
Do you think they'll get it?
Fact.
That's not a fact. It's a question.
Oh. Ooh, maybe I'll get to see a Harley Quinn?
You guys, let's do this.
For manga and science.
Excuse me, do you have a second for science?
Bimo, Lumi.
What is that?
Poka Pock Pox.
Pocket Pock Pox!
Poka Pock Pox?
I don't know what that is.
Rat-ta-ta-ta-ta!
Rat-ta-ta-ta-ta!
Quick! So this was actually Quick from One Punch Man, and it is the sound of his nose bubble coming out of his nose. Wow!
Actually,
Oh, wow.
yes, yeah. It's like kiss from Takane and Hana.
We have no idea.
I have no idea.
No clue.
I don't know.
When someone doesn't understand something,
And it's from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. It's like the menacing sound.
Okay.
So, it looks like Western comic fans understand action sounds like smooch and ra-da-da-da-da-da, but they don't understand more nuanced noises, like total.
I got to see Harley Quinn.